So this video is just to talk through the background tool that is available in some of the video conferencing. And I'm using zoom.us, and this is available at the basic level, and you just need to sign up. It won't cost you a penny, and this facility is available in Zoom. Okay, so what you need to do, well, this isn't really there. This is an image that I took of Brighton Marina seafront at low tide, and you can change this to any image you like, and it helps you mask whatever's going on behind you if you're having to work from home, and also it can add a little bit of banter and conversation to your call. So how do we do this? Right, so you will need, it works best if you do actually put something behind you that's bright green, a green screen effectively. You don't have to, there are other ways to do it, but this is the simplest way. So get some either green card or green paper, and you stick it up behind you. I'll show you how you do that in a minute. You first of all need to know where to go. So if you look at the bottom of your toolbar, you'll see that there's something that says stop video, and next to it is a little button that says, a little arrow that points up. Let me show you what that looks like, right? So here you can see there's a little arrow, pointy arrow thing, and when you click on it, it says select a camera, and the second one down says choose virtual background. So click on that one. And when you do that, it'll give you some options of what you can choose, and there are some standard ones. For example, the Golden Gate, you can see here, that's one of the ones that they provide. There's also a little plus button, and that plus button means that you can add whatever you like to your image bank. They advise you to use ones that are either your own images or that are available on free settings. So when you search on your search engine, then make sure you click free to use, otherwise you'll be infringing on some copyright. Okay, so there's some other things that you can do on this. So you might like to choose an image which is quite amusing. So if you happen to be into Chewbacca, you could have Chewbacca with you behind. Also, if you choose a face like this, there are some quirky things that can happen. So if I just turn my screen off for a minute, you can see that behind me I have this bright green piece of paper. As I said, card will also do, fabric is also fine. And if I look up, push up, you can see that I've just simply blue tacked it to the wall. If I take this down, you have no green screen. The computer automatically, I'll put the green screen on again, it doesn't know quite what to do with the virtual background. So it turns me into the Golden Gate. Kind of interesting. But if you choose an image, a face image, there are other things you can do. So let's go back to Chewbacca. Yep, you can turn yourself into Chewbacca. You have to fiddle around with it a little bit. You might have to swiddle your hair around it, take your glasses off. But if you get yourself in the right position, with the right lighting, you can actually make your eyes coincide and your mouth coincide with Chewbacca. Okay, I don't know how you can use that, but I'm sure some people, some of the comedians in your office and your team will know exactly what to do with that tool. It's not one that they promote, funny that, but I think it's one of the best. Other things you can do, so if I just go back to none, let's get this green screen back up, or this green piece of paper. Sounds very fancy as a green screen. It's just a green piece of paper. You can also put words behind you. So earlier I showed you where to click on. Here I'm just going to summarize for you how you access this. So this is just, again, another image that I've grabbed and put behind in the tool. How to change the background. So to change the background, you need to go to, in this example, zoom.us, and the basic is free, happy days. Get some green paper or fabric and just stick it up behind you. You open the call, you don't need to invite anybody else. You can just have a call on yourself to practice this. Click on that little arrow next to the stop video. Select to choose a video virtual background of your choice. Use the plus to add any that you like, and have some fun with it. There you go.